What's up everyone, this is Raven Gunpla and let's get started. So today we are unboxing the MG Eclipse Gundam from the Gundam Seed series. Now this piece was actually released back in 2021 and I'm actually quite excited when I first heard about this and been looking forward to building this beast here. But before moving forward, a special shout out to the sponsor of this video, Sci-Fi Anime Montreal, for providing me with this beast here. Really appreciate it, man. I will leave the link in the description below so you guys can check them out. They actually provide different types of plastic model kits and some airsoft as well. So, and also for any purchase of plastic model kits or other items in their website, there is a special discount, and here are the code so you guys can check them out. Sci-Fi Anime Montreal. Now the box artwork is really great. You got your mobile suit mode and you got your mobile armor mode, and a lot of people actually says that this looks like a race car, but for me it looks like a speedboat. Now let's flip the side here, and there's actually information here already available for everyone to check out. But the short version of it, this unit was actually built by the Orb Union, and parts of it came from the Freedom. And for the kit itself, it actually comes with a 1/100 scale Tatsumi Hori figure. And as you guys can see, really nice design here for the Eclipse Gundam. Now let's switch it to the other side, and there's more feature to it, shall we? Okay, just look at that piece, and it can even use other striker packs. So if you get the master grade sword strike launcher, then the L Strike Gundam, there you go. Now let's go ahead and check the contents of this piece, shall we? Okay. Nice. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages in total, and it actually comes with an action base, which is actually quite nice, and some clear effect parts. Really awesome. And then here is your manual here. So this is going to be a straight build. Wow, actually looking forward to it. Now let's move forward to some of the artwork here. Just look at that. Now here's the pilot here, close-up look. Fascinating. And then you got your 1/100 figure. It actually got a more reddish look. Orange black. Okay. And then you got your transformation mode. I heard that the transformation mode can be hard to do so. Okay, yeah. Fascinating, really fascinating. So I'm definitely gonna be doing a separate video just for the transformation mode alone, because master grade kits, it can be a hassle. Okay, so closer look at the manual here, and the runners. It will actually show that runner I and J, 90% of it are extra parts that you won't need at all. For runner I, you only get the hands, and for runner J, you only get the connectors for the legs there. Wow. Okay, let's start off with runner A1 here. Runner A1 actually got 4 colors here. You got the yellow, gray, red, and black. So let's have a closer look, shall we? And as you guys can see, here's the first one. Okay, and it is yellow. So you get the V pin here. I have no idea what this piece is for, and this is chest piece. And let's move on to the gray area. Not bad at all. This looks like part of the feet or verniers. So you do have the internal frames here, which is quite nice. And here's the red parts and the black parts. Okay, look at the back here. Not bad at all. Now let's move on to Runner A2. Runner A2 actually got a lot less than A1. You got the practically almost the same parts here. You got the yellow piece, gray, black, red. Okay, let's have a closer look on A2 Runner here. Come on now, focus. There we go. Okay. And this is Runner A2. Okay, here's the back. And let's move on to Runner B1 and Runner B2. Okay, Runner B1 and B2 are the same runners, but let's kinda break them to two pieces here, shall we? A lot easier. This one actually got gray pieces here. Let's have a closer look. And this is definitely an internal frame. And really fascinating. This looks like the eyepiece there. As you guys can see, looks like a mask. Okay. Now we're technically on the hunt for that pilot now. Leave it in the comment section below if I didn't see it, okay? You get part of the chest piece. This is for Runner B1. Here's the back. Let's move on to Runner B2 here. Okay. Okay, Runner B2. Looks like you get part of the shoulder piece here. And let's have, come on, focus now. Focus. There we go. I really got to update this camera here. Fascinating. Look at that beauty. Okay. That is Runner B1 and B2. Now let's move on to Runner C. And Runner C actually got two runners here. And they're practically the same, as you guys can see. Okay, so close-up look is the gray color scheme. Really nice details here. Let's have a closer look, shall we? Okay. Really nice details. You get part of the verniers here. You get part of the back. There we go. Let's move on to Runner D1 and D2. The same runners here. So, okay. Let's focus on D1. Okay, D1 got white pieces here. So, let's have a closer look. Okay, oops. So you guys can see, really nice. And I found the pilot. Fascinating. And let's see if I can actually focus on the pilot here. There we go. Not bad at all. Now let's move on to Runner D2. Runner D2, it's clear as day. This is the armor piece. You actually got part of the hands here. Let's have a closer look, shall we? There we go. Look at that detail there. Fascinating. And it looks like certain areas that you can actually do your own scribing and modification if you want to, which actually gives everyone a great opportunity to do their own custom paint. Okay, now let's move on to Runner E1 and E2. So Runner E1 and E2 are two runners. So, and they're all together, so you can snap them. And let's focus on E1 first. Okay, E1, white pieces again. Closer look. There we go. And this is definitely part of the leg piece, I believe. No, the arm. Side skirt. Front skirt. leg piece, maybe. I'm just throwing in random questions here. Okay, so this is runner E1. No, runner E2. Okay, runner E2 looks like you get the weapon set here. Okay, so close up look. Come on now. Look at the details there. This looks like a shark design from Power Rangers, to be honest. Ah, wow. Okay, so that is runner E2. Up next is runner F1. Runner F1 got blue parts here. Here's the back piece. And then, let's have a closer look. Now this is what I call the Gundam blue here, because it's pretty common to have this type of color schemes for Gundams. As you guys can see, there's a lot of nice details here. And up next is runner F2. Okay, runner F2 is the same color scheme. Here's the back. Then let's have a closer look, shall we? Fascinating. Nice. Okay. Now up next is runner G1. Actually, runner G. Two runners. Okay. So there are clear parts. It looks like this is the beam saber effect parts, which is actually quite nice. So let's have a closer look here, shall we? Okay, there we go. Fascinating. Wow. Now up next is runner I. Runner I actually got a lot of internal parts here. Now this is definitely part of the waist here. You get the skirt, you got what looks like the back skirt here, the hand pieces, and this looks like part of the headpiece. And you get the weapons here. So let's have a closer look, shall we? Wow, just look at that. You got the beam rifles there. You get the part of the headpiece here, the neck, which is a ball joint. Get the hands. Looks like you got multiple options here. Okay. Now let's move on to runner J times 2. Okay, so there's 2 here. Now this one here kind of fall off, thankfully. I actually got the missing piece there. Safe and sound. Okay, so runner J, as you guys can see, really fascinating. More gray parts. You can clearly tell there's the leg pieces there. And let's have a closer look, shall we? Okay. Fascinating. Wow. Okay, now up next, we're almost done here, are the the action base, which is quite nice, solid black, fascinating. I do plan on painting them in a much better color. I feel the need. Okay, so last but not the least, the decals. You get the stickers here, sticker decals. So kind of sucks, but oh well. You do have your eye here. Green eyes. And then you got your decal stickers. There's a lot here, so I'm definitely gonna use them to give a lot of details and give this a nice flat coat. Okay, there you have it, guys. The unboxing of the Master Grade MVF-X08 Eclipse Gundam. Looking forward to building this beast here. Quite excited. There's definitely a lot of potential. And for this speedboat, again, special shout out to the sponsor of this channel and video, Sci-Fi Anime Montreal. They are providing a special discount for any orders $50 and above. I will leave the link in the description below, so just a heads up, this offer is only for Canada at the moment. And remember, have fun, relax, and enjoy. That is Gunpla, always will be, and have a good day, good night, afternoon, wherever you are. Raven Gunpla signing out, and I will see you guys on the next video.